In today's video, we are going to show you several methods to make Discord play audio through your headset instead of your speakers, especially if your Discord audio coming through your speakers instead of your headset. This can be frustrating, especially when you're gaming, attending meetings, or chatting with friends. The good news is that the problem is usually caused by incorrect audio settings in Discord or your operating system. Now, the first option that you can do is check the Discord output device. The most common cause is Discord using the wrong audio output device. So open Discord, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open the user settings. Select voice and video from the left menu. Scroll down to the output device section. And then click the drop-down menu, select your headset instead of default or your speakers, and then play audio in Discord and test if the issue is fixed. If Discord was using the wrong output device, audio should now play through your headset. And of course, you want to make sure to set your headset as the default playback device. If Discord is set to use the default device, Windows must recognize your headset as the default option. So right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, select Sound Settings. Under Output, locate your headset, select your headset from the list, click Set as Default if the option is available, and close the settings windows and restart Discord. So check whether Discord audio is now routed through your headset, and of course, after that is disabling unused audio devices. Sometimes Windows becomes confused when multiple audio devices are active. So I want you to open the sound settings, click more sound settings. Under the playback tab, locate devices you don't use. Right-click unused speakers, monitors, or virtual audio devices and select disable. Leave only the devices you regularly use enabled and launch Discord again and test the audio. Now, another option that you can look into is reconnect your headset. If you're using a USB or Bluetooth headset, disconnect the headset, wait a few seconds, reconnect it, wait for Windows to recognize the device. Reopen Discord and test the audio. Now, for Bluetooth headsets, try removing and repairing the device. Now, do not forget to reset the Discord voice settings. Corrupted voice settings can sometimes cause audio routing issues. So again, open Discord settings, go to voice and video, scroll to the bottom, click reset voice settings and confirm the reset. Reconfigure your headset and microphone and test the Discord audio again after the reset. And last is updating the audio drivers. Outdated drivers can interfere with the audio device detection. So I want you to right-click the Start menu, select Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device and select the Update Driver and choose Search automatically for drivers. And then, of course, you need to follow the on-screen instructions. Restart your PC once the update is complete. If Discord audio is playing through your speakers instead of your headset, the issue is usually related to the selected output device, Windows sound settings, or headset detection. By checking the Discord's output device, setting your headset as the default playback device, disabling unused audio devices, and updating your audio drivers, you should be able to fix the problem quickly. If one method doesn't work, continue through the remaining solutions until Discord starts routing audio correctly through your headset. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.